Hi guys, welcome back. We're just testing the DJI mic again with the new camera, the DJI Action 4 camera, and I've got the microphone at the moment linked via Bluetooth to the camera, so it's no wires, all that sort of rubbish. God, this is an absolute game changer when it comes to audio or helmet audio when you are motorbike vlogging. It's a lot lighter. So much less complicated, and at the moment the microphone's cable tied in my helmet as it was before, but I've just turned it around so the windsock is towards my cheek and not to my mouth. So again, I've got the gain set at -12 decibels, and I'm also recording a hard copy of the audio as well. Like I said before, you've got 14 hours of audio recording on this microphone, which is pretty incredible really. So you can switch it on and leave it running all day if you want to. But I try and sync it with the video clips if I can. So yeah, we're going to test it. I'm only out for about an hour or so this morning. It's now just turned just after 8:30, so I'm not going to go too far because I've got other things to be doing. But I'm trying to test it and see what it's like and see what it's like at speed, etc. And if there's any sort of corruption of the audio with the bike and Bluetooth, the interference from the engine or anything like that, because it's a two-stroke. We'll see how it goes. Let's go. So we're riding the 250 this morning. I don't want to get too wet. And at the moment we're headed into a bit of a headwind. Quite a strong wind is this. Be interested to see what that sounds like. And I've got the wind behind me. Bit slick on here, my back tyre's not the best. I was out on this the other day, and they had quite a strong spring in the carburettor, so the throttle was quite heavy. So I've just changed the spring in the car for a softer one. It's a lot better, a lot easier on the wrist. Okay, so I've got the camera cleaned off. That's the thing at this time of year, there's mud everywhere, it just gets everywhere. There's so much comes off the front wheel up, from in front of the front mud guard. Well, it just gets blown up. So we're just in this nice little wood section. In the summer I do have a track in here, So I'll have to come and clear it at some point. But yeah, that carburetor springs made the throttle so much better. And I've got a quick action throttle as well. So it's a lot easier on the wrist. And I was thinking the other day about the gearing on the bike. What gearing have I got on this? And I've never actually checked. I thought I had 1250. I actually got 1251 gearing. And it works just great. Yeah, we're going to have to do quite a lot of bit of a walkthrough, I think, at this point in here at some point and just clear all this debris. Yeah, let's go through it, sort and cut a few bits back. Yeah, this has come down quite a bit as well, so we can't get through there. I have to come in with chainsaw and chop this bit up. Let's get out of here. Just go around the flood banks. Just taking a bit of a shortcut. See that buzzard there? If you can see it flying, there's a buzzard flying alongside me. Just as a quick razz round the track. There we go. Let's get through this overgrown stuff. think we're just about done. Okay everybody, that was this morning, and we're now at the evening now. I've just been doing the edit on the computer, and I think you'll agree the audio is quite good, and all that audio was from the Bluetooth link from the microphone to the camera. I'm really impressed with this setup. It is a game changer. No more wires anymore. No, I mean, you can, if you want to, link a lavalier mic from the mic unit itself up into your helmet if you wish to, but for me, the wireless system is so much better, particularly when you can have a hard backup copy of the audio as well from the microphone should something happen. Because I know on some of the reviews that I've seen on the DJI Mark II and the Action 4 cameras, if you are flying a drone at the same time as using it, you might get some interference in those sort of circumstances. But overall, well happy. That's it from me. I'm back on Sunday at Spontan Quarry. I'm taking part in the morning race. See you there, guys.